So hello everyone, so I would like to show you how to install this audio connector, which is RJ12, to the SCB. But first of all, we need to connect this RJ12 cable to the speaker. Okay, so as you can see here, it has two sides. The other side is already installed with RJ12 connector, but the other side we has this two wire. So you can see here, this wire belongs to the red one. Belongs to the audio out, and the white one belongs to the ground. Okay. Okay. First of all, we need to open the M20 interface first. Before we install everything, we need to open it. Then we need to pass the cable through this M20 interface like this. You can see in this position. Okay, and now how to connect this cable to the speaker. So actually this speaker has these two cables, and the pin definition here is for the red one here, it belongs to the ground, and the gray one belongs to the audio out. But for each speaker, you may need to check the datasheet. It could have the different pin definition. Okay. And then also you need to use this kind of connector to connect this RJ12 to the speaker. Okay, so let's try to install it first. So you can install this red wire first from the RJ12, and like this also. Like this, and then from the speaker, as I mentioned before, this red one belongs to the DO. Oh no, ground. Sorry, this one belongs to the ground. So you may need to install it to the white wire from the RJ12, and then the gray one belongs to the audio out. So you may need to install it to the red wire, which is the audio out from the RJ12. Yeah, it's already installed. Then the next thing that you need to do is connect the RJ12 to the SCB, just like this. Insert the connector to SCB like this, and then you can install the M20 interface. Make sure that you already install it tightly, and then that's for the installation part. And now how about to remove the RJ12 connector? Use the reverse operation. Open the M20 interface like this. Okay. To remove the RJ12, you can use your finger, or you can use this minus type screwdriver to help you to release it. Yeah, this is how we remove the cable.